Do you feel like your backyard is missing that one feature that could turn it into everyone's favorite gathering spot? Imagine stepping outside and being welcomed by a stylish BBQ area that instantly feels like an outdoor retreat. A well-designed grilling space doesn't just improve your backyard, it changes how you entertain, relax, and spend time with family. Whether your yard is large or small, there are creative ways to make it functional and inviting. The right setup can make cooking outdoors easier and more enjoyable. It can also increase the visual appeal of your home. Today, we'll explore inspiring BBQ area ideas that fit different styles and budgets. By the end, you may discover the perfect design for your own backyard. Every great outdoor space starts with one simple idea. Keep exploring possibilities and let your creativity shape a backyard you'll truly enjoy. Welcome you to Architecture Inspiration X, where we share the best ideas and tips for your outdoor and indoor living space. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos which we have planned after this video. What if your backyard barbecue station could look as impressive as an indoor luxury kitchen? Many homeowners focus heavily on indoor renovations while overlooking the potential outside. A thoughtfully planned grill station can become the centerpiece of your backyard. Modern materials, clever layouts, and practical storage can create a professional appearance. You don't need a massive budget to achieve a polished look. Small upgrades can make a significant difference in both functionality and aesthetics. From countertops to lighting, every detail contributes to the overall experience. Let's look at some ideas that can elevate your outdoor cooking space. Great designs often come from simple improvements. Stay open to inspiration, and imagine how small changes can transform your everyday environment. Have you ever wondered why some outdoor BBQ areas feel more welcoming and comfortable than others? The secret often lies in thoughtful design, rather than expensive materials. Comfortable seating, proper spacing, and practical layouts help guests relax and stay longer. A successful BBQ area balances cooking, dining, and socializing. It encourages interaction, while keeping the cooking process convenient. Whether you're hosting large gatherings or enjoying quiet family meals, design plays a major role. The best spaces feel effortless and inviting. That's exactly what we'll explore throughout this video. Inspiration is everywhere when you pay attention to smart design choices. Continue discovering ideas that fit your lifestyle and personal taste. Could a built-in barbecue setup actually make outdoor cooking easier and more enjoyable? Built-in grilling stations offer much more than visual appeal. They provide dedicated workspaces, organized storage, and a cleaner overall appearance. Everything stays within reach, reducing unnecessary trips indoors. These setups can also blend seamlessly with patios and landscaping features. Whether you prefer modern, rustic, or traditional styles, built-in designs can be customized accordingly. They create a permanent entertainment hub that encourages outdoor living. Let's see how different homeowners are making the most of this popular trend. The best outdoor spaces are built around convenience and enjoyment. Keep collecting ideas that help make daily life more enjoyable. Are you looking for a barbecue area that feels like a complete outdoor entertainment destination? Adding a backyard bar beside your grill station can completely change the atmosphere. Guests can gather, socialize, and enjoy refreshments while food is being prepared. This creates a natural flow that keeps everyone connected. Outdoor bars can be simple, compact additions, or fully equipped entertainment zones. The style can match your home's architecture and your personal preferences. Combined with thoughtful lighting and seating, the result feels like a private resort. It's one of the most effective ways to enhance backyard gatherings. Outdoor living is about creating memorable experiences. Continue exploring fresh ideas that bring comfort, style, and functionality together. What if a small backyard could still accommodate an amazing barbecue area without feeling crowded? Many people assume that creating a functional barbecue space requires a large yard, but that's not always true. Compact grill stations can be designed to maximize every inch of available space. Wall-mounted storage, foldable counters, and efficient layouts can make even the smallest backyard highly practical. The key is focusing on functionality while maintaining visual openness. A compact setup can still include preparation space, seating, and stylish decor. Strategic planning often delivers better results than simply having more square footage. With the right approach, small outdoor spaces can feel surprisingly spacious and welcoming. Size doesn't determine potential. Creative thinking and smart planning can unlock possibilities in spaces of every shape and dimension. Have you considered how lighting can completely transform your backyard BBQ experience after sunset? A barbecue area shouldn't stop being useful when the sun goes down. Proper lighting extends functionality and creates an inviting atmosphere for evening gatherings. String lights, Built-in LED fixtures, pathway lighting, and illuminated countertops all contribute to a warm environment. Good lighting also improves safety while cooking and moving around the backyard. Different lighting layers help define cooking, dining, and relaxation zones. The result is a space that feels comfortable and visually appealing long into the evening. Sometimes lighting alone can make a backyard feel entirely new. Great spaces continue to shine long after daylight fades. Keep exploring ideas that improve both beauty and functionality. What if your dream BBQ area is more achievable than you think? Many homeowners postpone outdoor projects because they assume they require enormous budgets or major renovations. In reality, many stunning barbecue spaces are built gradually over time. Starting with a quality grill station and adding features as needed can produce impressive results. Careful planning helps prioritize upgrades and avoid costly mistakes. Every improvement contributes to a more enjoyable outdoor experience. Whether your vision is simple or elaborate, progress often begins with a single step. Your ideal backyard may be much closer than it appears today. Every successful project starts with action. Keep exploring ideas, learning new possibilities, and building toward the outdoor space you envision. What features separate an ordinary grill station from a truly exceptional outdoor kitchen? The most impressive BBQ areas focus on convenience and workflow. Features such as built-in storage, prep counters, sinks, refrigerators, and dedicated serving areas make outdoor cooking more efficient. Everything has a designated place, reducing clutter and unnecessary movement. These additions can simplify entertaining and make gatherings more enjoyable for everyone involved. A well-organized outdoor kitchen feels professional while remaining welcoming. Even adding just one or two practical features can significantly improve usability. The goal is creating a space that supports both cooking and social interaction. Functional design often creates the biggest impact. Keep looking for practical upgrades that improve everyday experiences. Have you thought about designing your BBQ area around the way you actually entertain guests? Every family uses outdoor spaces differently. Some prefer intimate dinners, while others frequently host large gatherings. Understanding how you use your backyard helps determine the ideal layout and features. A family-focused setup may prioritize dining space, while frequent entertainers might invest in a larger bar area. Flexible seating arrangements can accommodate changing needs throughout the year. Designing around real-life habits ensures the space remains useful and enjoyable. The most successful outdoor areas are tailored to the people who use them most. The best designs reflect real lifestyles. Continue gathering ideas that align with your needs, habits, and future plans. At the beginning of this video, we asked whether your backyard was missing that one special feature capable of transforming it into the ultimate gathering place. After exploring grill stations, outdoor bars, built-in kitchens, lighting solutions, material choices, and space-saving layouts, the answer becomes clear. A thoughtfully designed barbecue area can dramatically improve how you cook, entertain, and enjoy your outdoor environment. The beauty of these ideas is that they can be adapted to nearly any backyard size, style, or budget. Whether you prefer a simple grilling corner, a stylish outdoor bar, or a fully equipped built-in kitchen, each concept offers opportunities to create memorable experiences with family and friends. Small improvements can lead to significant transformations over time,